Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide my AI on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide my AI on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to hide my AI. And from this interface guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there is the messaging icon. Tap on that messaging icon and over here my AI will be available for you. Now in order to hide my AI on Snapchat, tap and hold on the my AI chat box and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the chat and notification settings. Tap on it and over here it says the clear from chat feed. Tap on it and tap on clear and you can see guys my AI has been hidden from the chat section on Snapchat. And there, this is how to hide my AI on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.